This is a big no. Don't wear your headgear with your forehead outside like this. This is not how this traditional headgear is being dressed, right, or being worn. Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and to the new ones, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to press on the notification bell so that we can be alert whenever I upload any video, right? And to the returning subscribers, welcome back, gang, right? So in today's video, I think it's gonna be a shortest video ever, because I'm just going to just how to wear a traditional headgear. I'm just going to show you also some of the mistakes that most of the people do when they are wearing their traditional headgears. And guys, I'm not a perfect in dressing Otjikaiva. It's just something that I got patient with it. I just love it. I love our dress. I love everything about our traditional attire. And also to anybody who is willing to go and dress this attire on their own, guys, make sure you look for advice. Make sure you look for ideas on how to wear it, because it, in one way or another, if you just wear it in the wrong way, you're gonna embarrass yourself. You're gonna embarrass. It's a big embarrassment. So I'm having my hair, and guys, sorry if my hairs, they are looking somehow, because I don't have rollers where I am currently, and I don't have all my traditional things here. So I just tried all my best to use a tongue on this so that I can have this yeah, beautiful little bit of curly hair or whatever. Yeah. So, and the other thing is, there was a question on how long or how short should the hair be. Actually, what I'm going to tell you, you can have any type of hairstyle on your head, as long as you know how to wear your Herero traditional headgear. Believe me, you're gonna look perfect. Because who am I to tell people out there, no, you should go for this type of hairstyle, you should go? Because nowadays there are a lot of people, they are suffering lot of sickness out there. They're wearing dreadlocks, which we don't know why. So for us, they can wear those dreadlocks of theirs with our traditional headgear and they still look perfect. Some people, they don't like wigs. They just do their natural hair in a short way and still they look Ogushano, when it comes to hairs, I got no say on that one. You can have any type of hair that you want, because nowadays people, they are suffering. What I know, whatever hairstyle you wear with our traditional headgear, unless but to me, so, and the next thing I'm having, it's my headgear, which was done by Kataura Kashake in Namibia somewhere in February. Shikaiva shanje shisha ko Namibia shi shakutwa kutau Kashake. Okay. Whenever you are wearing your headgear, or you are planning to go and wear your traditional headgear on some days which are coming, don't forget this thing. After you get your headgear from your whoever prepare it for you, make sure you have a small containers, this small for holding pins. There's no way you can wear this, even if it's ready made, without some holding pins. Guys, it's so painful. A person is telling you, no, I'm trying to wear my headgear here, and if you are like, can you pin somewhere there? No, I don't have pins. Guys, it's paining. So let's always keep our jewelry for that specific dress, especially when you are traveling. You put very well, okay, this is my dress for Friday, this is my dress for Sunday, this is my dress for this day. You put all your jewelry inside that headgear. It avoid embarrassments. Those kind of things. You will never have such kind of things. So I'm going to remove them. Please guys, don't come for me. No, the way she's wearing her wig, what. No, I'm just trying to, because I know my head, it's not looking that much representable. So I would rather so this is how I wear it. You see, this is how I wear it. So guys, forgive me when I'm looking this side because my mirror is somewhere next to me here. And don't forget to peg your mirror as well, a small mirror. So I'm just trying to pull it a little bit inside at the back, and then I pin it somewhere there at the back. So guys, don't forget to watch my other videos, because the more you watch those videos, the more you will have a lot of ideas on how to dress these Otjikaiva things. All right, now we pull it in front. So whenever you are dressing your headgear, you have to make sure that on your sides is just straight. There's no the things Otjikaiva, it's there now, got a lot of guys, I don't know how to call that in Herero in English, but yeah, try all your best to make it look perfect. The idea is to make it look perfect. Please, you have to make sure that here there's nothing which is outside, nothing which what. You just try all your best. You try all your best. I know there's nobody who's 100% perfect, but then let's try for our best. Asho. So guys, I think I don't know how it's looking like at the back, but what I can make sure is that my inner piece, it's not somewhere to be seen, right? It's not visible. Okay. That's it. This is how it's looking like at the back. Okay, now when I feel like, okay, I'm done, now I can continue and wear my jewelries. And one thing guys, if you are bringing, okay, there's a big sometimes we wear this headgear and it looks somehow. Yes, because especially the one that I made, because I'm still learning, and I came here so that we all can learn these things together. And then sometimes this headgear can be just like this one, which just came straight from home, and then we wear it and then it look like yes, Upon Wadara Upon Wadara. Yeah, guys. Wait. What happened with my earring? Yo. So don't mind my hair, guys. I told you, I beg. I know how. And can we leave this attitude of trying to judge everything? We are just into judging everything. Can we leave some of those things? Hey guys, people, they are scanning. People, they are not judging. They are scanning. They are using some scanners just to see inside Moura. So that's it. Oh, something. You should have your and some neck piece, right? Okay, can you say how am I looking like? This is a big no. Don't wear your headgear with your forehead outside like this. This is not how this traditional headgear is being dressed, right, or being worn. You should wear it and pull it up until it reach there, and then you pull your brows a little bit down. That's how one of my aunt in the village taught me. Good. And then wearing your headgear, and it's having kind of wapata, it's like having something out here, and it's shading you to, yeah, the other part that I normally want to talk about. It's like it's all over. Can you see why it's so like this? We don't want it. Have to be just straight, perfectly straight, perfectly. You pulled everything there inside, and it looks so fine and clean. Kasho, fine and clean. And the other thing, it's when, okay, now you dress it properly in front here, and then now at the back, let me unpin a little bit at the back and show you. I'm trying to, yeah, but it's falling, man. Yeah, like this, can you see? It just like this. You can feel that it's not yet inside your head. You have to feel that it's like it's hold on your head. You have to feel like it's strongly hold on your head. If you can feel like it's about to fall on, no, you should not wear it like that. And then the other thing, okay, let me see. I'm trying to make something here like this. It's like now it's about to cover your eyes. Even you can't see anywhere. It's just on your eyes, just like this, and then up here it's having whatever it's called, and then yeah, like that. It's a big no. So the perfect way. Okay, and the other thing, it's like this front, this part, which is always this piece, which is always the outer piece, it should cover everything nicely and clean. Okay, that's it. I think mutu matu to kudaro vikaiva veto vihakara no manyanga tarangange kara nemwiyo maonyano. And please, odaro shikaiva, if you make sure you have some pins, holding pins, top of your eyebrows, just on top of your eyebrows, but then it have to have a little space. You see? Can you see? Okay, this is a sharp final look, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I think we had now some ideas on how to dress this Otjikaiva. You're gonna go out there and look so beautiful. See you on my next video, and please guys, don't forget to subscribe.